Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm gonna teach you to the new topic that about that determiners. What these are determiners and how we will learn it today. I'm gonna teach them. There are four types of determinants. So let's get started. Determinants. We have four types of determinants. Determinants are words that comes at the beginning of the noun, introduces noun, and determines nouns. Whatever a noun is specific or general. So these four determinants we're gonna study today, and you will get to know what they are and how we will use them in our communication and writing. So I'm gonna talk about them today, so stay tuned with me. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. So determiners are four types. The first one, articles a, an, and the. These are the articles. Determiners. Demonstratives. What is demonstrative? These, that, those, these are demonstrative. Possessive. What is possessive? My, yours, his, her, their are possessive. The fourth one, quantifiers. Some, few, little, many, much. These are quantifiers. So we're gonna learn them. So articles. What is articles? Articles determines which noun the speaker is referring to. Identified articles a and n. General version of nouns. A book is man's best friend. So here, a book, it identifies the whole class of books. Definite articles. The is a definite article, specific version of a noun. The Bhagavad Gita is one of the holy books of Hinduism. So here it is the specific shows identify the specific Bhagavad Gita book. So these are articles. The next we have demonstrative. What is demonstrative? That, these, those are demonstrative. Demonstrative pronouns are also used as determiners. They are used to point someone specific within a sentence. They focus at extensions and the nouns that they are replying. Examples: I want to go to the movie. So that identifies movie. That identify movie. Another example: he wanted those boys to go away. So those distinguished boys. So the next we have done demonstrative. That was demonstrative. And the third one we have, that is about the possessive. What is possessive? My, yours, his, hers are possessive. So possessive pronouns are words that are used to show ownership. Examples: where is your bike? Where is your bike? So it distinguish your bike. Your, it shows your bike. Your is possessive pronoun. It's our secret recipe. So our, it distinguish or identify to our secret. Or is possessive. So these were possessive. I hope you got it. The fourth one that we have, quantifiers. What is quantifier? Few, some, much, many, little. These are quantifiers. They they indicate how much or how little of the noun is being proceed. Examples: he took some books of mine. Some books, it means it just gives an idea, it doesn't give the specific. Another example: he has few apples in the refrigerator. Few, don't know how much that will be, but it is just gives an idea there is apples, but how much that will be we do not know. So these were quantifiers. I hope you got it. And now I'm gonna give you a small revision about them. Let's revise it. Determiners. So words that comes at the beginning of the noun and introduces noun. Determine nouns where a noun is specific or general. So this is the definitions, or you can learn identifier from that. So articles a and the is article. Demonstrative, those are demonstrative. Possessive: my, yours, his, her, their are possessive. And quantifier: some, few, little, many, much are quantifiers. So articles that we use for identifying the specific noun, and as much as I did. So, and demonstrative, that also I taught you, and possessive, that also I did teach you, and quantifiers. So I hope you learn it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned with me. Do not forget to comment and like the video and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned with me. I'll meet you in my next video. Until Allah Hafiz.
There's a girl, but I let her get away. It's all my fault, cause pride got in the way. And I'd be lying